Woo! Jamaica! Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Man, did you see that 200? Did you see the 200-meter race in Tokyo? Elaine Thompson created history again. Remember, she just did it in the 100 meters and set a new Olympic record, which means no other woman in history has ran that fast in the 100 meters in the Olympics. Now she turned around and did it in the 200 meters with a new personal record and a new national record, crossing that finish line at 21.53 seconds in the 200. She is now the new fastest woman alive. Now, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, our pocket rocket. Shout out to Shelly-Ann, and thank you for all that you have done and contributed to our athletics, to our brand Jamaica, and in all your personal accomplishments as well. We recognize that Shelly took time off. She had a child, an amazing feat to get back in top form and back at Olympic level of fitness. That alone is next to impossible for most human beings. Yes, we're not writing Shelly off, but Shelly did not place well in this 200-meter finals in Tokyo. Shelly placed 4th, so she will not be getting a medal. She is now the second fastest 200-meter athlete ever, and we're talking about Elaine Thompson. She is still following Flojo's or Florence Griffith Joyner's record of 21.34. Elaine's is 21.53. I don't know if you're watching the same race I'm watching, but I swear Elaine can actually go faster. She can. Watch the 200-meter race again. Watch the 100 where she broke the record and set a new Olympic record. She pretty much strolled across the finish line. Okay, it wasn't a struggle for her. So I want to see Elaine power through all the way through and see what actually happens. I think she is set to break this Florence Griffith Joyner's record of 21.34. She is, however, the first female in history, and this is huge. This is beyond just winning a gold medal at the Olympics, which in itself is another feat that is pretty much impossible for a majority of the human beings on Earth. She is the first female athlete ever to complete the 100 and 200 double-double, defended it, and set new records in the process of doing so. I mean, yo, she doesn't even look like she can run that fast, let's be honest. But when she gets on that track, it's a whole different story. Listen, at this point, Elaine can pat herself on the shoulder and she can say praises to the Most High, and she can say, I have accomplished greatness, cementing her name as one of the greatest sprinters of all time. The only other athlete in history to do what Elaine just did in this 100, 200 meter double-double is, woo, Jamaica again, Mr. Usain Bolt himself. Jamaica, you can, I told y'all, man, there's something in the food in Jamaica. I've been telling people this for years. I don't know who is not listening, but there is something in the food and the air in that island called Jamaica. Okay? She is the only female to have ever accomplished this feat. The only in history. And the second athlete to ever done it. Usain Bolt being the first and only. Okay, now with Shelly-Ann's finishing time of 21.94 and Elaine's finishing time of 21.53, you can safely say that Elaine was way ahead of Shelly-Ann. When I saw Shelly-Ann in the 4th place, I thought to myself, oh my God, I think she's going to get 3rd, and then she got nothing. Good effort anyways, Shelly-Ann. I don't know if you sensed the same thing that I sensed, but kind of towards the end, Shelly looked like, I'm not getting the gold anyway, so and she just kind of looked like she gave up. Might have been my observation. But you know, some people say you train a lot for something, you're focused on something, it's the winner's spirit, and you get out there and you don't accomplish it, and then yes, there is this great disappointment. You know, I had never had any doubt in my mind that Elaine was going to do this today. I actually said it on my last video. Now, here it is. A new sprint queen, a living legend. Yes, Jamaica, that's what she is. She is actually a living legend. Understand that she not only won gold, but she accomplished something that no other female has ever accomplished. And only one other person in history has accomplished that on the track. And that is the double-double with the 100 and 200 meters. Elaine Thompson Herah makes history in the 200-meter finals. Wow. Listen, stay tuned for the other video. I didn't see a celebration for this great accomplishment either, again, between her and Shelly-Ann. But a lot of people are saying SouFLoTV is the one that's pushing a rumor about there being a bad blood or a bad relationship between them, and the lack of support that she got when she won the 100 and set the new Olympic record. Stay tuned. I have a video coming up about their relationship, and I am not the only one talking. You will be surprised. Big entities are talking. The world saw it. But in this moment, let's focus on this historic feat that Elaine Thompson Herah has accomplished. Not only a crown on her head, but definitely a good look for the island of Jamaica. This is a win for Jamaica. This is a win for all the little girls in certain places who weren't born with gold spoon in their mouth and who believe that they can and put the work in, and it is possible. This is a huge motivator. This right here. This time there will only be one Jamaican on the podium, and that will be Elaine Thompson Herah. Shout out to her. Shout out to the Jamaicans and their athleticism and athletics. Shout out to the Olympics. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. And stay tuned for the next video, which will focus more on their relationship, the details that are out there, and who else is talking. Catch you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.